Hi there, I'm Beth and today I've got a quick unboxing video for you. I have a parcel here all the way from Japan. It came very quickly. It was only briefly delayed by some bad weather. We have snow outside, well, ice. We have a lot of ice. But it made it and now I'm really keen to get into it. Now it is Smart Doll related. As you know, I have two Smart Dolls already. I have a cinnamon and a cocoa skin tone, and this is going to be my first my first tea skin tone doll. This is just an option head, although it's in quite a large box. So let's get a look and I'll show you who she is. Okay, so we have the inner box. And big Ziploc bag. And there we go. So the doll that I have the head for is Starlight in tea. She has a lovely short wig. It'll be my first short wig from Culture Japan, and I'm excited to see how that looks. The option heads, if you haven't had one before, they're currently reduced to 39,000 yen. A lot of them are going to be discontinued very soon with the release of the new frame that Danny has been working on, the Evolve frame, which will have haptic feedback and sort of notches and gears built in for extra flexibility, posability, more strength. So I am excited to get my hands on one of those. With me purchasing an option head, hopefully this means I will get an opportunity to buy one of the bodies on its own so that I can complete this doll before they sort of go on sale to everyone else, before they sell out, and hopefully I'll get my hands on one. So I will be buying a tea body to match this head, and I'm hoping it will be the Evolve frame body. So we've got her well protected. She's got the tea head cap. And she's my first anime sculpt as well. Oh, she is absolutely gorgeous. She has blue eyes. I will post some detail pictures as well and include them. Oh, she's gorgeous. Oh, absolutely beautiful. So I will, as I say, I'll include some detail shots here for you. But she's a beaut. Oh, she's so different to the semi-real sculpts. Wow. Oh yeah, I'm really pleased. Really pleased with that. Let's see her wig. So, got RS. Is that the random short wig, I believe? So cute. This will be, yeah, this will be my first fringe from Culture Japan as well. Love the padding. Oh, lovely. They're always so soft. Oh, that's exciting. All right, let's see if I can get it on her head. Not had to do one with a fringe before. Always tight. Okay. Let me match it to her pictures. Got her page open up. Oh yeah, a little more rotated. She is mega cute. I do not have a name sorted for her yet. My other two dolls are named after the seasons that they were bought in, spring and autumn. Got Haku and Haru and Akiko. Oh, she's just gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So, yeah, will I give her a winter name? Winter is Huyu in Japanese. I do like Japanese names for Japanese dolls. Obviously, these were created and born in Japan. So I don't know, maybe Huyu, maybe there's a better version of that name, I don't know. When she has her body, she'll get her proper name. So for the moment, what I'm going to do is borrow Haru's body and swap out her hands. She's got a scarf on just now, so she can pretend that she's got the right skin tone. So excuse me, missus. I can change these hands. Hands on my Dauntless are so much easier to get off. I don't know why. I always struggle. This is beyond. Ooh, there we go. Got one. And we've got little fist hands. 3D printed and painted by me. Oh, that's easier. Oh, I lost I think I've dropped oh, it's magnets. She had magnets inside her palm. So I'll find those stuck to something later on, no doubt. Okay. Now, there we go. Excuse me. Borrow your head. You know that the hole on the head, if it's not come on a body, it's maybe never been on a body, so it might be a little small. Oh, okay. Have connection. Yeah, that's it. Oh, wow. Let me stand you upright. Got a nice big scarf on. Woo. Like I say, we have a lot of ice at the moment, so it is appropriate. Let's zip up your jacket so we don't see your belly. Nice. I love this jacket. Nice pose from you. Yeah, I think that's great. Okay. So, yeah, you can see all of her. So here she is, my Starlight option head in tea. Now the plan is, with the anime face sculpt, to begin to make some anime characters, to do some cosplay of game characters or such like. My husband and daughter are both obsessed with playing Genshin Impact. It's very popular, I know. I watch them play, but I've never played myself. But we have a short list of characters from Genshin that might look really good as a smart doll. So let me know, please, in the comments, what kind of character you would like to see turned into a smart doll, especially with this face in mind. Obviously, wigs can be changed, and yeah, I'm excited to try out some different things in the coming year. I do have plans to make these new sewing patterns that Danny shared. I will be making the jacket and the beer doll, the beer girl dress, beer doll. So yes, there will be more smart doll sewing coming up. But for now, this is who I have. So yeah, I will be looking forward to getting her a proper body and possibly a different chest as well, because the two dolls I have already have the medium, like the regular bust that they come with. So I might actually get a differently sized chest for Starlight here. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like and a comment and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you, and I will see you again soon. Okay, bye.